Anyway, we're back, and we're gonna see what our bees are doing, which I think is that they probably... Nope, the bottles are still full. Interesting. Very interesting. Doesn't look like we really need to feed them all that much.
Okay?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, here we got it. Yep. Oh my.
Got comb right up to the wall.
Well, that's because this is... Come on. They're doing this wrong. Because you do it in this hole. You see the hole? You're holding me. Get out of here. Oof. Oof. Oh. Oh.
Got cap brood on the other side.
This ain't cap brew, this is cap food.
No, no. Oh, okay, there.
It's all cap food.
It is here too.
And not a lot of bees up here. Oh. Stuff's heavy. They've got enough food, that's for sure. Food. More food. Bring this back in. This one seems like they even filled up. The one with not much comb on it was food. Food.
So maybe we're at a point of not enough comb.
No, it doesn't seem like that to me. It seems more like the fact that they think that they have enough food. Go over there and show. I need to reheat this thing.
Look, they're putting food in. They're gathering from somewhere.
This stuff's going down here. Okay. Got the bees a little bit nervous. Not much of anything over here. Really? Keep the smoke out of there because the bees are starting to going up here.
Yeah, they're not all that.
Okay, and nothing really over here. My plan is move this over here. Is to move it. So that the bees can...
That's going to be the new end frame?
Maybe, yes. That way the bees will take some more food and put it anywhere. But there's a lot of empty comb. Okay. There's nothing over there. There's just empty frame. There's comb. There's comb, but no bees.
Okay, okay, fine. There are a few.
Okay, can you heat it up? Can you put something in? Put the fuel, get the fuel ready. Okay. Oh, that was easier than I thought. Okay.
Heavy?
Yep, that was heavy. Okay. I think that's enough. Yeah, the bee started looking at us for a moment there.
This is a bad frame. Remember?
Yeah, this is a bad one.
Yeah, okay. Lift it and hopefully it won't come apart.
Okay. Now they can lift.
We gotta get under this one. I can't get under it.
Okay. Okay, hold.
I got it now. Oh yeah.
There's more food over here. A little bit less food than there was last time. There seems like there's brood and there's eggs. There's more eggs.
See eggs?
Yes, I do see eggs, and that's what is very important. I'm gonna put this in immediately after I take this one out.
Okay, Seth, careful, that's another bad frame. I want to put a band on here again.
Yeah. You do
It
that.
broke last time.
You hold it. I'm gonna just put this one back in, because...
God, this frame is heavy.
Okay, I'm sorry, bees. Okay, I'm holding it. Okay. Now let me show you what's going on here. It seems that there's quite a bit of propolis.
Yeah, that's for sure.
It seems like there's quite a bit of propolis, and I'm looking for any type of eggs and stuff. And yep, there seems like there's kind of some stuff over here too. I'm gonna put this back in.
There's larvae. Spotty.
Not very spotty. It looks like some of them just came out.
Yeah.
And more being laid. There's more bees being put inside. And there seems like there's larvae. Tells me that the exact timing of when they were put in there, when the larvae,
Careful.
their stages are not synced
too.
completely. This one is completely... No, it isn't even completely. It has itself a larva on it, which is also good, meaning that the bees are...
This one's full of nectar.
Yeah.
Nobody in here though.
Yep. Nobody in here. Nobody in here either. I'm just putting this one away. Can you help me? Just here for a sec. Hold this thing.
Oh. Let me just grab this frame.
Okay, here you go back in. Okay.
This is the end frame?
No, this isn't the end frame.
This is this frame. Okay.
Don't put it in. We need space to move. Yeah. More food.
More comb.
Might switch the direction of this one so that they might get a little bit more food into it. It's because they are once again designing at the side of the... Essentially.
They're moving for the sun.
Yes. This one has more food. Not really much of anything special, even less than the last one. The other ones are not worth even checking at it.
No, nothing's going on. There's comb. There's comb out to it. Let's just...
Yeah,
I
right.
just want to... No,
Okay.
just hang on. I just want to see how much comb is on this frame. Not very much. Okay, so she slowed way down in her laying.
No. I do not agree. It appears to me like she had less eggs last time. There were less eggs last time.
Put this frame away?
Yep, put it away.
Okay, smoke it so I can slide this box on.
got the bees here
Okay.
flying away.
They're not too happy today.
No, they're not. It's cold. That's part of the reason. Is it's cold out here.
Okay, smoke the top and I'll put the jars on. Do you even need this?
No, not really. Just to have it there because, well, I don't want.
Where else we're gonna put it, right?
Yeah. Well, anyway, that's pretty much it. For winter time, this seems pretty good, in my opinion. Seems very good. But, yeah, they're going towards the sun. They're very much wanting to get out the sun because the sun is the heat, and they have a lot of eggs. They have enough food, in my opinion. Maybe not exactly enough, but at least they have more food, which is good, because previously they didn't have a lot of food. Previously they had actually very little food, and now I think that they have enough food, or at least enough food.
Getting close to enough food.
Yeah, it's, you know, it's still not quite enough food, but it's enough food that it seems like it's enough food, you know. Realistically, I do not know exactly how much is enough food and how much isn't enough food and stuff like that. So that's my only problem. But otherwise, to me it seems like, yeah, we're doing pretty good. As at least in my opinion. Anyway, like, subscribe if you want to hear more. And also, just that, write a comment. Helps a lot. Bye!